if you want to follow along, you can download the project files of this course from this lecture. Just click in View Supplementary Materials and download the zip file. Once you have this file, all you have to do is double click, press Extract and OK. And that does it. It gives you these files. Now, if you're on a Mac, it's even easier. Just double click and the file folder will be decompressed into the same folder the compressed file is in. And in Windows, if you don't have WinRAR, all you have to do is search for it. I just type, here. Just type that, WinRAR, and download it from here in Downloads. And select your version and you're set to go. Download it and install it. It's free. So this is what you're going to see. You have 4 folders. The Illustrator file is the one that you are going to use to animate, and this is the file you use for lip sync, then the expressions we're gonna be using, and finally the project files to follow along. Okay, so as you can see, each file has the name of the lecture. Okay, so it's super easy. See you in the next lesson, in which I show you how the character is set up in the Illustrator file. Okay, see you in the next lesson.